Now that you understand what crypto is and have a wallet set up, the next question is obvious. How do you actually buy some? The most common way is through a centralized exchange, or CEX. These are companies like Coinbase, Binance, Kraken, or Bybit that provide a platform for buying, selling, and trading crypto. Think of them like a stock brokerage, but for digital assets. You sign up, verify your identity through a process called KYC, Know Your Customer. Link a payment method like a bank transfer or debit card, and start purchasing. CEXs are easy to use. They have user-friendly mobile apps, offer customer support, and handle all the complexity behind the scenes. For most beginners, this is the simplest on-ramp into the crypto world. But there's a trade-off. When your crypto sits on an exchange, the exchange holds your private keys, not you. That means if the exchange gets hacked, freezes withdrawals, or goes bankrupt, as we saw with FTX in 2022, your funds could be at risk. There's a famous saying in crypto, not your keys, not your coins. There's also the option of decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, like Uniswap or Jupiter. These let you trade directly from your own wallet, no sign-up, no KYC, no third party holding your funds. DEXs use smart contracts to handle trades automatically. The catch? You need to already have some crypto in a wallet to use them, and they require more technical know-how. Gas fees, slippage, and choosing the right network can be confusing at first. When you're ready to buy, you'll encounter two main order types: market orders and limit orders. A market order buys immediately at whatever the current price is. A limit order lets you set a specific price you want to pay, and it only executes if the market reaches that price. Here's the most important advice for your first purchase. Start small. Only invest what you can genuinely afford to lose. Crypto is volatile. Prices can swing 10 to 20% in a single day. A smart beginner strategy is dollar cost averaging, or DCA, buying small amounts at regular intervals, say $50 every week, instead of trying to time the market with one big purchase. DCA smooths out volatility over time. Once you've bought your crypto, move any significant holdings off the exchange and into your own wallet. Self-custody is how you truly own your digital assets.